Hi, I'm Michael here at Motorcycle Mall in Belleville, New Jersey, and this is the all-new 2019 Dragster 800RR Pirelli Edition by MV Agusta. Now you may ask yourself what makes the Pirelli designed Dragster different than the other models. So this is a numbered bike. There's only 200 of these made in the world, and this is number 19. It is available here in Belleville, New Jersey. The design on the Pirelli Edition is going to have different insignias. You're going to notice on the seat here, you have the Pirelli Design insignia. You have the strips here. This is mimicking the tire strips, which are also Pirelli. You have the tank guard here, again with the Pirelli insignia. You have the number 19 of 200 insignia on the handlebars. And then on the front cowl here, you have another insignia. This is specific to this model and this model only. All the 2019 MV Agusta models are Euro 4 spec. Now this is a universal spec designed for worldwide use. Here in the States, you still have 140 horsepower. Given the restrictions, it's actually very impressive. You also have 151 mile per hour top speed, and you have a 370 pound soaking wet bike. So again, horsepower to weight ratio is really good. This is a very aggressive styled bike, very cropped and very sporty. For 2019, the steering stabilizer has been relocated. You'll notice that this is not on top of the bars like it used to be with the bolts. This is hidden underneath, a little bit more ergonomic, a little bit more neat, a little bit more refined. You also have a 7-way adjustment manually for the steering. This is something that's going to come in very handy as you're riding, especially at high speeds. So the new Dragster here, they come with a nice DRL light, the daytime running light, halo effect on this. This is great in twilight, also great at nighttime, makes you very visible and looks really cool. But if you come through the back here, you'll notice the back has all been revamped. This is a flow-through design, and this is all LED as well. This is specific to the Dragster models, not even the Brutale models have this. It's a flow-through design. You see the vents here, you'll see underneath the seat, everything flows through. This is also kept in line with the lineage of the bike. So what happens here is you want to ride two up, you drop down the rear pegs. Nice thing about this is most of the time you're going to be on the bike by yourself. These tuck out of the way, gives you that nice, clean, symmetrical look in the back. And that dictates also to the exhaust here. Now this is a triple pipe ceramic coated exhaust. This is specific to all their 3-cylinder engines. The F3 is going to have it, the Brutale is going to have it, the Dragster is going to have it. This is a really nice design. This is specific to MV Agusta. This is one of my favorite parts. Also, one of my favorite features of this bike is this wheel. This is a gorgeous wheel. This is a spoke-laced wheel. It's designed and it's also color coordinated with the bike. You'll notice that it has Brembo brakes front and back, 2 discs in the front, 1 disc in the back. This here is a single swing arm, again showcasing the rear of the bike, which is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we're going to focus here on the handlebars. Now the Dragster model differentiates itself from other models. The Brutale is going to have a more traditional kind of handlebar mount. These are, you're going to know, basically this is going to be very much like a clip-on bar. Now you can adjust the camber on these bars. They have these little hash marks here, which give you either a neutral feel or you can positive or plus and minus 1 degree. Also, you notice on the handles here, you now have updated from a clutch to a cable clutch to a hydraulic clutch mount. So this is going to be a much easier, nicer feel. It's going to be more spot on. It's easier to use your controls, and it's more ergonomic. Now on the right side here, they also updated the controls. The older generations had a different mapping system. Now you have a clearly marked hazard light. You have engine mapping here, which is very easy to get to and very user-friendly. Now your engine mapping is going to give you 4 ride modes. There's a rain mode, there's a sport mode, there's a custom mode, and there's a normal mode. Now the custom mode is going to be a little bit different because the custom mode will allow you to adjust your engine braking. It's going to allow you to adjust your rev limiter. It's going to allow you to adjust your ABS brakes. And it's also going to give you traction control. Traction control gives you 8 levels of traction control, so it's a very adjustable, very user-friendly. Now, on top of that, the Bosch 9 brakes is a 2-channel ABS brake using the Brembo calipers. And you also have a quick shifter on this, which is electronic 6-speed up and down quick shifter. This allows you for clutchless shifting, and this also gives you rear lift mitigation. So this is an electronic adjustment on the rear tire, and what that does is that's going to give you, when you come to excessive braking on the rear tire, it eliminates that wheel hop that you can get, which gives you ultimately much more better control and much more better feel on the bike.